Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos. I'm teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you like gifts and presents as much as I do, I think you're going to have a fun time learning this lesson. Not just one, not just two, but also 3 different gifts I actually put into this little visualization for you to sketch and to learn. So if you have a pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. What I did there is just kind of grouped up a concept of 3 different gifts, and one little small one in the middle one, and a little taller one in the back, and a kind of like a curvy one on the side there. What you can learn from this experience is whatever you're sketching, maybe sketch multiples in different shapes and size, and just the overall look, just change up a little bit. Use your imagination, which I know you got and can use. So if you haven't checked out some of my previous videos, make sure you check out some of the old ones, because I have right now over 350 videos that you can see. That's a lot. And I'm adding more daily, and some neat ones coming in 2021. So, as I always say, I want to say thank you for all those who are subscribing to my videos, and for those that are watching it like you right now. I appreciate that. So have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing.